Hello everyone, myself RASHMI GM, studying MSc in Computer Science, Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. My presentation topic is Types of Error. Introduction to error. Networks must be able to transfer data from one device to another with complete accuracy. Data can be corrupted during transmission and these corrupted data are called error. For reliable communication, errors must be detected and corrected. Error detection and correction are implemented either at the data link layer or the transport layer of the OSI model. Error control. Types of error. Whenever bits flow from one point to another, they are subjected to unpredictable changes because of interference and thermal noise. Error is a situation when the sender's data does not match the data at the receiver end. When an error is detected, then we need to retransmit the data. So there are various techniques of error control in computer network. These interference can change the timing and shape of the signal. The three types of error control are single bit error, multiple bit error, and the burst error. Single bit error. Single bit error are the least likely types of error in serial data transmission because the noise must have a very short duration, which is very rare. However, this kind of errors can happen in parallel transmission. The single bit error means that only one bit of given data unit, such as byte, character or data unit, is changed from 1 to 0 or from 0 to 1. In this figure, at the position 6, 0 in the sent is changed to 1. 0 from the sender side changes to 1 in the receiver side. Corruption in a single bit is called single bit error. Multiple bit error. If there is a change in two or more bits of data sequence transmitter to receiver, it is called multiple bit error. This type of error occurs in both serial type and parallel type. In this, frame is received with more than one bit in corrupted state. In this figure, at the position 4, 1 in the sender side changes to 0 in the receiver side, and at the position 6, 0 in the sender side changes to 1 in the receiver side. Corruption in more than 2 bits are called multiple bit error. Burst error. The term burst error means that two or more bits in the data unit have changed from 1 to 0 or from 0 to 1. Burst errors does not necessarily mean that the errors occur in consecutive bits. The length of the burst is measured from the first corrupted bit to the last corrupted bit. Some bits in between may not have been corrupted. The burst error is determined from the first corrupted bit to the last corrupted bit. The duration of noise in burst error is more than the duration of noise in single bit. In this figure, from position 7 to position 11, the burst error is occurred. In position 7, 0 changes to 1, and also in position 11, 0 changes to 1. Burst error is most likely to happen in serial transmission since the duration of noise is normally longer than the duration of a bit. The number of bits affected depends on the data rate and duration of noise. Example, these errors may be due to physical damage such as scratch on a disk or a stroke of lightning in case of wireless channel. Phases in error control. Error detection. Firstly, we need to detect at the receiver end that the data received has an error or not. Acknowledgement. If any error is detected, the receiver sends a negative acknowledgement NAC to the receiver. Retransmission. When the sender receives a negative acknowledgement or if any acknowledgement is not received from the receiver sender, retransmit the data again. Error detection. Vertical redundancy check. Second one is longitudinal redundancy check. Third one is circular redundancy check. Fourth one is checksum. This is all about types of error. Thank you.